How to change Loklok language. Want Loklok in your preferred language? Let's change it step by step. So, step one, open the app on your device, and then from here, tap on your profile, which you'd basically find at the bottom right corner of your screen. So, once you click on your profile, that will take you into this section. So from here, scroll down and look for the settings button, click on it, and then at the very top, you should find the language settings. So click on this, and that will take you into this page. So from here, go ahead and select the language that you want to use. Scroll down and find the language option. Tap to open the list of available languages. Select your preferred language, close and reopen Loklok to apply changes fully. Changing Loklok's language is simple. Open the app, go to settings, select language, and restart. And that is how to change Loklok language.